Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane Williams and Paul Mason, where they share the latest manufacturing and tech news and explore innovative solutions to help you improve your business.
Peter, welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia. Thanks for coming on the show.
My pleasure, thank you.
Excellent. We're here with ABB. You've got all the cool robots and cobots here. Tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing.
So what we're doing with this exhibition is trying to illustrate the difference between industrial robots and the high speed, high accuracy that you get with those, and also the collaborative robots, how you can work safely side by side with a robot. Showing what we want to do is illustrate the difference between them and the advantages of each, and of course the disadvantages of each. Basically hoping people can make, I guess, the right choice on what is a robot, what is the correct type of robot for their applications.
Yeah, I think you mentioned before that people are still, still struggling to figure out the difference between cobots and industrial robots.
Exactly. People ring me up and want a bag palletizing robot or bag palletizing cobot to do 20 kilogram bags at 15 bags per minute. And it's just, they don't understand what a collaborative robot is and what makes it collaborative, which is essentially there are limits to the amount of force a collaborative robot can exert before you have to guard it. And once you start guarding the collaborative robots, you then got to start thinking, is it worth keeping with a collaborative robot or go to an industrial robot?
Yeah.
So these are decisions you've got to make, and it really depends, I guess, on how much real collaboration, human-robot collaboration, you require for that application.
For sure. So smaller stuff like pick and place and small assembly jobs, or making a pizza maybe for a collaborative
or
robot.
It is. Yeah, that's it. Putting the toppings on pizzas or anything like that. I mean, obviously, they're going to be obviously collaborative, and of course, for some applications, often with machine tending, you don't need it to be quick.
Yeah.
So why not have a collaborative robot loading and unloading a machine? If it's got a 30-second cycle.
Yep.
Whereas if you're in an industrial application, something like this robot, where you can pick and place here with this robot 70 cycles per minute. So you can pack things 70 packs a minute. A collaborative robot in the same application would be lucky to do 8 or 9 cycles per minute. So there's a difference. And if you're going to guard it, like this one is fully enclosed, there's no advantage in going to a collaborative robot. You stick it to industrial. And with this collaborative robot here, this can move up to 2.2 meters per second. But typically, with that in a collaborative speed, it would be going much, much slower.
Yep.
So you've got to work out if it's only being used. The cycle time is quite slow. The amount of throughput is quite low. Then a collaborative robot will save you the cost of the guarding, and also just make it easier to interface with people, so people can move in and out of the work areas without having to unlock guards and gates and that sort of thing.
For sure. And you've got your massively high-speed flex picker over here.
Should we have a look at that?
Yeah. I've seen some applications of the flex picker, using with AI and vision systems where they're starting to do some really smart stuff.
Correct.
Food picking and things. So.
Sometimes this can be used for sorting. Typically it's used for high-speed tray loading.
Yep.
So on YouTube you can see videos at Simplot where we're packing frozen fish. I think the latest video has 8 robots doing 700 pieces of fish a minute, and one of them is actually doing a Q&A and rejecting the other pieces. So 7 of them are doing 700 pieces a minute.
Wow.
This is a Delta-style robot. Again, it's the market leader. We have them installed throughout Australia. And one of our partners here, A&RT, is actually putting in another large system at the moment for us. So you might see them later on the show and have a chat to them about what they're up to. But we've had this on the market since 2001.
Yep.
So it's been on the market. This is the second generation of them, but for over 23 years now.
Fantastic. Excellent. Well, thanks for coming on the show, Peter.
My pleasure. Thank you very much. Really enjoyed that. Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul.